Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Ty from 3D Decor RVK. Today is a video on a project that we're doing that we downloaded the STL files from the National Institutes of Health. We are going to create the Raptor hand using our BIBO2 Touch. So this is a project we've been looking to implement for a while. It's something that we feel strongly about. Is the ability to create things that will benefit society and benefit future generations. So this is just a little test that we're doing. It's not something that we're gonna put more videos out about. We're gonna print all the parts and put it together. So we're going to do our best to accommodate. What we have here right now are the temperatures that we're printing this part at. The part that we're printing right now is one of the fingertips. So we printed a couple other parts out thus far. We're actually going to probably reprint those because we're going to try to scale them up a little bit bigger. But we wanted to show you what temperatures we're printing these at, and to show you how effective the print's been so far. So the extrusion temperature is at 230. We're only using the first extruder on this print. The print bed is currently at 88. But we set it to 90 on the print startup. So that's where we're at right now with it. As you can see, it's printing out pretty well so far. We're about 30% done with the print. When it's finished printing, we'll display the part and we'll show you the results. Once again, we want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. We'll be putting out more of these videos in the near future, and hope you enjoy. Talk to you later.